This is a pork cutlet that we're going to use.
Oh my God, from tenderloin, so it's like a tender schnitzel.
So it's really, it's very economical.
Oh, it's not even fried, it's grilled.
Right, it's grilled.
Oh, this is super healthy.
Yep.
Can I bang the out of this meat for you?
Yeah, so what, so when they're pounded out, you want to season them with salt and pepper as we did here.
Oh, well, we've got some all ready to go
and
there.
then we're going to put them right on the grill. And I'm using a griddle pan. Nice grill marks. We're going to take little new potatoes and boil them till they're fork tender.
Gotcha.
Then what we're going to do
and what went into the barbecue sauce?
So we had apple cider vinegar.
Cider vinegar.
Ketchup. Mustard. Chili flakes. And cane syrup.
Oh, I gotcha.
Which is, pure cane syrup.
And a little brown sugar?
And a little bit of brown sugar, about a half a cup. You don't want it too sweet. Yeah. See, and you baste them like that.
Those are beautiful.
Now, we're going to make a...
I'm eating your bacon.
Cilantro potato salad, okay? So we're going to take the new potatoes that are fork tender, and we're going to put those inside of a little bowl.
Salt and pepper?
Salt and pepper.
Okie doke.
Mayonnaise, some red onion. So this is the best way to just grate your garlic like this, to add the garlic. This is a beautiful base.
Oh, that smells so good.
Right?
And then some, what do you got there, chives?
And a little bit of chives. Good job.
Yum.
So that lemon gives it that little acid.
That little bright acidity, yeah?
And then watch, here's what we can do.
Oh, that's awesome. Slide them right over.
Right there.
Oh! Yes. Yes.
And then you just kind of, bam, just a little bit like that, just a little bit. There you have it.